Hi guys, so here is how you add this beautiful turn animation in your Wix Studio website without breaking a sweat. And just before I show you how to add it, if you're new here, I'm Walter and this is Wix Ideas. And if you haven't done so yet, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also turn on your notification and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's jump right in. Great, so here is my editor and I'm about to add a section right here. So head over to the add elements and head over to the design kits. So here you're going to find tons of designed elements from Wix Studio, and under the gradient tech, you're going to head over to this section right here. Simply click on it and it's going to be added to your website so easily. And what you can do here is to customize it to your taste. And for example, you can change what this text says. So I'm going to change that interactive turn animation Wix Studio. Great. So that is one customization. You can also change what the text in these boxes say and also what these shapes are. You can also add different elements on here depending on what your website is all about. But of course, you can give this a try. So let's go ahead and publish and then view this on the live site. All right, so let's refresh this page. So here is our designed elements. You can see that we have easily added this turn animation to our Wix Studio without having to customize much except to change the content that are already in the design. So there we have it. If you're looking for more tutorials like this, I have a video that you can check out, which is an arc scroll effect that you can use to add interactive arc scroll animations to your Wix Studio website. Thank you very much and I will see you in the next video.